dragon teeth?
No.
Can I see your dragon teeth? Peanut butter.
Mommy, open it! Mommy, open it!
Help you open this?
Yeah. Oh, I'm just gonna give it to Mommy and Mommy can open it. Mommy, put it all in.
Too much. Too much. You gotta mix it up. You wanna put a scoop of yogurt?
No, that's
Oh, there goes yogurt and peanut butter.
I eat it.
No, it goes in here. Put it in and then I'll get you more peanut butter. No, you can choke.
So on a spoon.
Yeah. And then, here.
Oh, great. Plus ship because.
Is it good? Oakley, is it good?
The song on the kid blanket.
Make a veggie scramble for Daddy. All right, good morning. I feel like I haven't actually spoke to you guys in today's video. Mornings are a little crazy, and anytime I'm like, oh, I want to film a morning routine, I'm just like, logistically, I don't know how it's gonna work. The first 2 hours of the day are like, we are awake, make the beds, get dressed, brush your teeth, breakfast, pack lunches. It is go, 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 and then somehow I have to like get myself ready and dressed and fueled, so I'm not gonna lie, I don't want this to be like false advertising. Usually Matt is the one that's up early. He will like feed Cashew and like start getting the morning routine going, and then I'll usually come down, set up an activity for Sage. I find the days that we don't have the screen on so much calmer, but there's definitely mornings where the screen is on, so don't be like, yes, and then they're like, help me play, and you feel guilty, and I'm like, I'm also like, we gotta go in half hour. But yeah, I don't want this to be like a false sense of like everything's calm. Like some mornings are chaos. Actually, most mornings are chaos. Like the kids just slept all night, you know, they are at their peak of energy. Yes? No, it's not that much.
I am the queen, and Oakley's the king. Daddy's the surfer and I tell Daddy what to do, and Oakley tells Daddy what to do too.
Oh. Okay, grilled cheese on sprouted bread. Are these sugar peas? Cheese string, crackers, pretzels, white chocolate chips, strawberries. Oh, they're cute. Oh, you gotta brush your teeth, honey. Go let Maya help you brush your teeth. Our amazing nanny just got here, so I'm gonna actually get dressed and get ready because I'm gonna try to catch a yoga class in like half an hour. We are ready for yoga. Honestly, like kinda into the yoga and Pilates right now. I've done it one class, okay, but I'm excited. Needs a little more ice. Everyone is always shocked when I say I don't drink coffee. I gave it up over 10 years ago and my mental health has improved so much. I don't think I could ever go back, and I don't really need to. I have good energy now, and if I'm tired, I just like make sure I get good sleep and like focus on other habits in my life. One thing I do drink every day though is my AG1. So it comes with this little shaker bottle. It's so easy to make in the morning. I have a little canister here that I keep in the fridge. I have almost everyone on it now. My brother, my sister, Matt drinks it in the morning, and it's just been one of the easiest simple habits to add into my wellness routine. And it tastes delicious. It's a great way to get a bunch of nutrients all in one easy drink. It's a daily health drink that's clinically shown to fill common nutrient gaps and support gut health. It has 75 plus ingredients plus 5 probiotic strands that help support the microbiome, which is really important because if you didn't know, the gut is actually referred to as the second brain. And as a mom of 2, I need all the brain power I can get. I love how simple this routine is in my daily life. You just add some water, add a scoop, shake it up. I also notice when I stay consistent with this habit, I have fewer cravings throughout the day of like the not so good stuff. I also love that AG1 is NSF certified, meaning it is independently tested for quality and safety, which not all supplements are. If you want to try AG1, head to drinkag1.com/healthnut or scan the QR code on the screen to get an AG1 flavor sampler, a bottle of vitamin D3 and K2 free in your welcome kit with your first AG1 subscription. That's a $72 value. Thank you to AG1 for sponsoring today's video. I'm gonna head to yoga. I'm bringing Chloe with me, and Mommy's gonna get her stretch on because this morning it's been a lot. Let's go. Chloe, you feel stressed?
No.
Guys, that was so stressful. I'm not gonna lie. Oakley was screaming bloody murder for me, and it just like jolted my cortisol, and I just feel so stressed. So I'm looking forward to a nice relaxing yoga class. But like, that's just like sometimes the reality of being a mom, like the guilt trip you get on a daily basis. Anytime I'm like without my kids or they're crying for me and I'm like also trying to take care of myself, it is hard, man. So just, I took a second in the car and I was like, had to regulate my emotions. But yeah, we were going to the class. Honestly, so many reasons I can make to be like, no, I'm not gonna go, but we're not gonna do that because 2026, I'm gonna do stuff for me too. And that makes me a better mom and I know it, so. And Chloe's coming to my class today. She's been like a Pilates queen over here. She already did a class this morning, but she's gonna be my moral support today. And we're meeting up with another friend, Laura, who's the one that's like been getting me to go to this place. So we're just gonna have a little girls yoga morning. It's always weird because like I feel like when I like see people after having a chaotic morning, I have to like act normal because I don't want to be all frazzled and have this anxious energy, but I'm just like, I need to de-stress. Have you ever done a hot yoga class?
No, it's my first.
This is your first. I don't think today's gonna be crazy hot, and it's slow yoga, like it's yin, so it's like holding poses, so I think we'll be good. Back out in the cold. Didn't it feel like we're on vacation? It's cold. Oh. Right, what'd you think?
It was good, nice, relaxing.
Yeah. Didn't it go by fast?
Stretch. Yeah, I thought it was gonna be harder because you were like, oh, it's hot yoga, but that was like
no, I said just stretchy. Just no, wait till you come to the class I did yesterday. It's not like the most intense thing I ever did, but I sweated the most I've ever sweated in a class.
See, I'm not really a sweater, so.
Oh, you're gonna be. That's what I said. I literally was like visualizing my stress melt away from Oakley, and I was thinking like how I could have dealt with that situation better. I was like, maybe I could have like went down. Huh?
Just ignore it.
I don't know. It's just like eats my soul. So okay, back home.
Nana.
Nana, hi. Where are your pants?
Mickey Mouse.
Yes, Mickey Mouse. Hi.
Nana.
Nana. Okay, let's go. Oakley is in a phase. He's been actually in this phase for like the last 3 months where only mommy can put him down for a nap. So yeah, basically I can only leave the house between the morning hours and the nighttime hours because I do his bedtime at night too. No, don't ruin my brain. Don't ruin it. No. It's okay because I like the extra snuggles. But I have to say he's been sleeping so good. So I'm not messing around with the routine right now. I am going to do an updated sleep video because when he turned 2, like he was not sleeping good. And a few simple changes, we are back on schedule. And he actually like enjoys going down. Right, Oakley? You ready for your nappy? Yeah. All right, I just got dressed. Just doing casual sweater and jeans. It's freezing outside. It's full on blizzard. Kind of annoying because I really thought we were like teased with some warm weather and now it's like winter again. Also, we are not showering because today's class was just like a stretchy class. I didn't actually get sweaty. And honestly, are we like team just hang out in your workout clothes all day and let the sweat dry? Sometimes. Oh, but actually the product I just used, this is a really good spray to use like after a workout or something to help prevent breaking out. It's with that, what's the product called? hydrochlorous. Anyways, you can also use it like after you shave or just as a toner, but I specifically like it after the gym to kill any bacteria lingering on my face, especially when you don't want to like wash your face again. That's just a nice refresher. And then I am gonna do a little moisturizer because my skin is dry, and I feel like if I put makeup on dry skin, it's just so creepy, and I'm like, I looked better without it. So on the agenda today is I have a video to get up, a YouTube video, a photo carousel on Instagram, this video, and every time I film a morning routine, it's kind of nice because by the time I'm like actually starting my workday, I'm like, I already got a YouTube video done. So that's always a win. So the rest of the day is just gonna be like admin stuff. My days are either like full on filming day or full on like meetings and admin, like computer stuff. I try not to do both of those in one unless it's like today where I'm filming a morning routine. But honestly, I don't do a lot of them because they're hard to film. They're overwhelming because like mornings with kids are overwhelming. Some days are really chill. Some days like the kids are calm and everyone's quiet, but like that's not the norm. And like honestly, that's fine. Like I'm fine for my kids to be like wild in the morning, like get your energy out. But it's just hard when you're trying to like capture stuff too. So I really just try to have low expectations because I know you guys enjoy these videos. I mean, at least I think you do. Comment down below if you like this style of video. I feel like they're different every time because like I said, you can't really predict how the morning is gonna start. Like some days I'm like, I'm gonna film a morning routine, and Oakley wakes up at like 4 in the morning and I'm like, Kate, no, scrap that idea. You know, even today he woke up like a little earlier than normal, but I was like, whatever, we'll go with it. Cause like, it doesn't need to be this aesthetic morning routine. Like I try to make it real, guys, and just share like what actually happens. Obviously sometimes I'm trying to get like a little cute clips of like Oakley brushing his teeth or just like showing little highlights of our morning. But the reality is like, it's just pure chaos, and like you're just trying to like get everybody ready and fed and out the door. Also, I meant to put this on first, but this Refresh Eye Brightener from RMS, it is so nice. It also has 30 SPF in it. Not that I need it right now because like pure whiteout right now. I don't know if it's a color corrector, but it just makes I did put it on this morning, I'm gonna be honest. So it just hides like the dark circles. I don't know, it just really does refresh your eyes. It does say eye brightener. So yeah, this is truly a mom's best friend. It's like my new favorite product for my makeup routine. I've actually been trying a few products from them that I really like, and I like that they're just like all non-toxic and stuff. So I find that I'm doing less like vloggy style content on my channel and focusing more on like recipes, like what I eat in a day, meal prep hacks, more like tips and stuff right now. And I'm kind of enjoying that because it just lets me, like when I'm with my kids, I'm just with my kids, and when I'm working, it's usually when I'm not with them. Lately, I've been doing more of the vlog content on like Instagram and TikTok, and doing more like recipe content and like tips and stuff on here, but I still like to incorporate like some morning or nighttime routines just to give you a sense of like what our routine looks like. I just don't like, I've mentioned this before, where I'm like vlogging everything, like we're going camping, we're going to the cottage, we're doing a trip. Like I like short form content, and I post that on my shorts on YouTube as well, but I like that because I can just, it's easier to get my phone and get little clips throughout the day and then turn it into a vlog, as opposed to like carrying like my big vlog camera around with me. So it just feels like this is a good routine for me right now. So even today, I think we might film, and I'm gonna see what the weather does, but we might film like some short form content. I've been doing more collabs with Matt. He's been a good sport. And even my sister Chloe, we did a fun one in Florida when she was down. So yeah, let me know if you wanna see more Chloe and Matt in my content and what you guys want us to do. Like Chloe is really good. She's really good in the kitchen with cooking. She loves taste testing things. So I've wanted to do those style of videos with her, but I can even bring her on here on my YouTube channel. I'm really into the easy peasy makeup right now, and a lot of cream products. I don't know if it's because I'm in my 30s and like I just don't want stuff that's drying out my skin, but I do find cream products just a little bit more forgiving and hydrating, and honestly they just sit better on my skin. I'm using the viewfinder, but let me look at a mirror. Besides, this is not a makeup tutorial, okay? This is just real life me getting ready for the day. Okay, I'm gonna throw on these earrings. Sorry, you're balancing on my dresser. What's under my bed? I can already see stuff. Socks, pajamas, probably dust. I fixed my lipstick. And we are ready to conquer the day. Honestly, I feel so productive. Got up early, I worked out, filmed a video. Let's hop on the computer and actually get some emails done so I can go into the weekend feeling accomplished. You know, honestly, actually, I don't like saying that, okay? As moms, we accomplish so much every single day. outside of our work to-do list. Every day I should feel accomplished. But side note, speaking of doing things for myself, I'm also reading. I just started this Verity, which I think the actual movie is coming out this year. Chloe got this for me for my birthday back in September last year, and I'm finally reading it. I honestly got through already like 33 pages last night. It's good. If you're trying to get into like just like a chill non-fiction book, it's a Colleen Hoover book, so you know it's gonna be good. And it starts off like right into the book. It's not like you gotta warm up into it. No, it's really good. I love reading books when I know there's a movie coming. Otherwise, if I just watch the movie, I'm like, I don't need to read the book. I'm one of those. So now that I know there's a movie coming, it gives me like a timeline to get the book read before I watch the movie. She tired. Honey. Hi, baby. I feel like every video needs a little cashew cameo, huh? Look at her. Look at this girl. Oh, her tail's going. Hi, Cashew. You just say her name and she's happy. Emails, emails, emails. Oh my gosh. I have this thing where I don't, like my email app is on my phone right now, but I have the notifications turned off because I don't want to be like notified every time I get an email. And so I really just try to respond to emails on my desktop so that I'm like, okay, if I open an email, I gotta actually respond to it. Otherwise, I'm just opening it and then clicking unread. Opening it, clicking unread. So it's like a waste of time and it's like a loop you're in. Okay, I'm just gonna do boring work stuff now. Still drinking this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to check out AG1. I'm gonna have them linked down below. You guys can get their welcome kit with your first subscription order and a bunch of free goodies. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. And hopefully spring is here for that video, okay? Because I'm over the snow.